Hi guys! Is it just me or do I hate it when my parents turn everything into an argument? Today I literally said that a dog was cute and then deadass they started lecturing me about fucking boundaries. Hey dad, maybe you should learn a thing or two about boundaries? Specifically mine. And also I wasn't even near the dog. I also wasn't looking at the person. Also after that, they took me to our car and started yelling at me. The fuck did I do? Also, they randomly yell at me for no reason too. I feel like they're doing things. But anyways, Saki Rants is out.